Just got this in. So this is the Junyi Toys JY011W Toy Inspire clone. Yes, so as you can see, this is a completely toy grade drone. These are not brushless motors. These are just brushed motors. Yeah, those are straight up brushed motors. And it's got the body shape of the DJI Inspire. And now it doesn't fold like the Inspire does. See, as you can, this is just bolted in there. So no, it's not a folding drone. It's got a little camera here, and you can actually move the camera direction. You press this button here, and you see it changes the angle of the camera. So yeah, the camera actually is connected to a little servo there, and it moves. I received this drone from my friend Ryan over at RD's Drone Reviews just to play with and review. And I hear that it is a complete piece of junk. So I'm going to test it out. I'll show you how it goes. Alright, so this is a Wi-Fi based FPV drone, and for iPhone they want you to download the HT Wi-Fi app and connect to it. Alright, well there we are. We do have a little bit of wind out here right now. Literally just came gusting through. So, the damn camera. What the hell? That was not the wind. I don't know what the hell that was. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can get the app going again real quick. But the problem is, it looks like the Wi-Fi network just disappeared. Which doesn't make any sense, because your Wi-Fi network shouldn't just disappear for no reason. It just literally isn't showing it. Yeah, I don't know why it's not showing the Wi-Fi network for this thing. It hasn't been turned on or off or anything, so oh well. Alright, now we're launching. Well, it looks like it broke the Wi-Fi FPV. Alright, what is going on here? This is ridiculous. It's like it's self-learning itself or something. I came out here knowing it was gonna have issues. But, oh my god! That control is the weirdest thing I've ever felt. I don't even know how to explain it. It yaws weird as can be. It's not even normal. And there we go, falls to the ground again. Oh no, wait, it's going up. I'm not even bothering with the video right now because what the hell was that? What even was that? Alright. I can't even keep this thing in the air. And there we go, it just sinks to the ground again for no reason. Alright. So yeah, the yaw on this thing is weird as hell. And it doesn't fly right. It just loves the ground itself. It's good at doing that. Oh, it doesn't even fly right. This may be the worst drone I've ever reviewed. Oh no, the yaw is still weird, even without the Wi-Fi FPV. It's all over the place. The lights aren't even blinking. It's not showing me LVC. The lights are not blinking. They're all solid. I swear, I've reviewed a lot of drones. And this is shaping up to be the worst. Maybe the box flyer is the only other drone I can think of that would be worse than this one. There are so many people that have terrible experiences with this drone. Everyone's got a story to... Oh my god. Everyone has their own story, a horror story to tell with this drone. Oh my God, what the hell? It just jerked back for no reason. Oh, this is gonna be bad. I brought it up way high now. For some reason it wants to go now. It won't go forward correctly. Oh, no, no, no. And it's not the wind, because there's no wind. I've heard that there are some pretty severe range problems with this drone, but I can't even get the damn thing to fly far enough to even test it. I know Brian over at True Drone Reviews reviewed a very similar one to this, and it had constant range and dropout issues. And now we go, range test. Come on, go, go, go. Go as far as you can. What the? And down to the floor it goes. I don't even know what to say. All right, I'm gonna conclude my review right here, right now of this thing. This is junk, do not buy it. It's a shame. It actually looked pretty damn cool because it's got a camera that actually does work. They included this little mount here, but it doesn't do a darn thing for the jello. The video is still full of jello, at least what little video I was even able to get of the thing. What else is there to say? What else is there to say? This is the fakest Inspire clone you can possibly get. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the review, and thanks again to Ryan for providing the entertainment of giving me a drone that he said straight up it was not going to be good. So appreciate him for sending that out to me. This is kind of fun to go out here and know that the thing was not going to be good and just see what happens. All right, let me know if you have any questions about this, and as always, have a great day, guys.